Imagine a battlefield where no human soldiers are inside it. Instead, fleets of machines march forward, drones fill the skies, robotic dogs scout the ground, and autonomous tanks roll across the terrain. This isn't a sci-fi movie. It's the future many militaries are actively building today. But is this future of robotic warfare revolutionary or terrifying? And what happens when machines decide who lives and who dies? Stay with me, because in this video we'll dive into the world of military robots. War has always been shaped by technology, from the bow and arrow, to gunpowder, to nuclear weapons. Every leap in technology has changed the way battles are fought today. The next leap is robotics. Countries like the United States, China, Russia, and Israel are pouring billions into research. AI-powered drones, robotic vehicles, unmanned submarines, even humanoid machines designed for combat. Experts predict the global military robotics market could surpass $25 billion by 2030. The question is not if robots will shape warfare, but how much. Here's the surprising truth. Military robots are not just a future dream, they're already on today's battlefields. Drones used daily for surveillance and airstrikes, robotic bomb disposal units saving soldiers, Lotus four-legged robotic dogs scouting terrain and carrying Gevier autonomous ships and submarines patrolling oceans without a crew. What was once experimental is now standard military practice. Why are militaries racing to build robots? The advantages are clear: fewer human casualties. Machines fight instead of soldiers. Endurance. Robots don't get tired, don't feel fear, and don't need rest. Precision. AI and sensors analyze targets faster than humans. Cost efficiency. No food, no sleep, no medical care. Just missions. In theory, robots could make war more efficient, less risky, and even cleaner. But that's only half the story. Here's where things get dark. Autonomous kill decisions. Should a machine decide who lives and who dies? Hacking and malfunctions. What if a robot is hijacked or attacks civilians by mistake? Escalation of war. If machines fight instead of people, will wars become easier to start? Loss of human judgment. War isn't only about accuracy, it's also about empathy and restraint. Something I can never truly understand. Imagine armies of killer robots executing missions without hesitation. And this isn't just theory. The Russian Uran 9, a robotic tank with machine guns, flamethrowers, and missiles. Israel's Harpy drone, a suicide drone that hunts radars and strikes without approval. The US Loyal Wingman project, AI fighter drones supporting pilots in combat. South Korea's SGRA-1 Sentry, a border robot with sensors and machine guns, capable of firing autonomously. The line between human control and full autonomy is already disappearing. If one nation develops advanced military robots, others will rush to catch up. This creates a dangerous AI arms race, just like nuclear weapons in the past. But this time the barrier is lower. Robotic weapons don't need rare materials, they need software and AI. That means more countries, even private companies, can build them. Once the technology spreads, it will be nearly impossible to control. Right now, world leaders are debating killer robots. Some say they should be banned, because no machine should decide life or death. Others say they're inevitable, and banning them would leave nations defenseless. There is no easy answer, but one thing is certain. This debate is becoming more urgent every year. So what does the future hold? Imagine wars where entire armies are robotic ground robots fighting on land. Drone swarms battling in the sky. Unmanned submarines clashing beneath the ocean. Humans might only command from a distance, watching wars unfold on a screen. Robots may reduce human casualties, but they could also make wars faster and more common. If war becomes cheaper, will governments hesitate less before starting conflict? The future of combat isn't just about technology. It's about the choices humanity makes. Military robots are not science fiction. They're already here and changing war forever. They promise safety and precision, but also risk, chaos, and ethical nightmares. So here's the question. Are military robots protecting human lives, or removing humanity from war entirely? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. Stay smart, stay safe.